Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a liquefied version of Carnage from There Will Be Carnage. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners, okay? So it's only going to be about 8 minutes. Stick around to the entire lesson because at the very end of 8 minutes, you'll have a brand new skill. That's kind of the way it works. Let's get started. Before I do, if you like learning how to draw Carnage, Venom, or any character you want, if you like learning how to improve your ability to draw anything, hit the subscribe and the bell notification. That's going to let you know when I post. It's going to show you on your feed, on your front feed. You'll just see a random thumbnail of something cool that day that you'll want to draw. That's it. So let's get started. And definitely hit that like if you like the subject of this one, because it's a little bit different than normal. So we're going to start with Carnage's head right here. We're going to start at the top. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to have a curve for the top of the head. Pulling up here, maybe like a little like tendril things coming off because he's super liquidy, especially in this form. Pull down, forward. I'm going to pull a curved line in for the eye on this side, right? So it's going to have his eye here and here. Pull on over here on this side. Go over here on this side. Pull up. Down, curve here. So I'm not drawing his eye that liquidy because the rest of him is going to be very liquidy. That's kind of my thoughts here. Down, down here, up, down here, up, down here, up. So we're drawing obviously the top row of teeth. Down here, up, down here, up, down here, up. Like so. Right on. Pulling downward for the bottom of the mouth now. Same thing. Zigzag line. Over here. And before I do that, I'm going to draw his... So the rest of them is going to be very wiggly, okay? So right off the bat, let's start looking at this. I'm going to draw... The flow of him is going to be like... That's going to be his flow. And right now we're going to draw arm over here. Coming out forward here. And his arm over, it's already like a wiggly arm, so you can kind of wiggle it on the way down. There's no right way to do that. Gonna go over here, and I'm going to maybe start at his back over here, leave that open, and I'm gonna curve down, pulling downward here. Maybe pull some wiggliness out here. Maybe a dot there, this liquefied form. And maybe something like that, almost like a ghost in a way. I'm going to start with this side of his body on this side. Same thing, wiggle it up. He's going to have thin, and it's going to go big here. It's going to go thin, and over here it's going to go big. Like that. Almost like he's a specter, right? It looks like a ghost, but he's not. He's liquefied. Gonna have over here, I'm gonna fill in. This one's very subjective outside of his face. We're gonna do this kind of ghosty wiggliness. I want to have like a big clunk of him coming out. That's why I'll put that up here next to his head. Something like that. And maybe it's going to end like in a swirl here, his hand. And same thing goes for his other hand. Something like that. Pulling down the rest of it. Like so. So we have like these general shapes here. And what I want to do with these shapes is I want to now kind of make them look a lot more Carnage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in his face outside of his features. Fill in the top of his teeth, because that's a very Carnage thing. Right, here's teeth, so that's completely black. Because Carnage, as opposed to Venom, Venom has lips and his teeth are white, at least within the comics. Carnage tends to have a completely black, like mouth and stuff like that, and teeth, and it pulls down like so. The rest of Carnage's body is also a lot of dark mixed in. So what you can do here is you can, remember, follow the flow, and then you can kind of make stuff up as you do it. Follow the flow here. Right? And you're filling in not so much shape, but this value, this black pattern that's kind of all over Carnage. And it goes, he looks kind of like taffy with like a black stripe through it. And you're just following the flow over here. You're throwing in a little line here and there to make it look a lot more Carnage-y, as opposed to Venom, right? Because Venom is obviously not like this. He has his own stuff, which I might actually end up doing Venom as well. Line here. Just continuing all the way down the length of him. And just kind of toy with the shapes on him on this one. You can kind of mess with the shapes. What do you think is a cooler looking shape? And that is honestly the biggest way to do this character, at least when in this liquefied form like this. And he's in it a lot. He does it a bunch. I think he can do it with while he still has a host, right? I think, because I know Venom can't do it without a host so much. I think Carnage can, if I remember correctly. Can somebody correct me on that in the comments if that comes out? Thank you so much. That is pretty much it. Like I said, you can keep toying with. You can toy with this for like a long time. Like it's pretty wild how you can mess with it. See, it's like I get caught up in that as well. Maybe throw some stuff over here. There's kind of no wrong answers for the most part. Just definitely, just to recap, keep that face, right? Darken in that face to make sure it's Carnage and not Venom. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.